almost here now. Nice neighborhood. I thought I was about to give me some sleep for a second. Kinda got me in 30 seconds. Next thing now, you're right. Fuck. But that means I'm excited.
In 500 meters.
I see that tail like a ZX14 over there.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Big boy there.
No, stay inside. Let me get fed.
Honey. Hey, don't bite the toes, here, shawty.
Let me pull your truck down.
I just pushed it out there. Another one. Another one to work on. Wow.
The initiation process.
People talking about getting ready to go. So, we just peeped up another mini chopper. It's another 49cc. The condition wise is on there. That needs a new pull starter. What would be a starter? Needs a new one of those. Battery. Front brake is a hydraulic, so we had to do that. That's seized up, but it's not stuck. Full brake is good. Tires are pumped up. Paint job is pretty alright. But otherwise, it's all there. Small little electrical. I probably got to tweak some stuff small. But otherwise than that, I think it should be ready, good to go. Weird thing about colors and all that crazy things down the line, but main thing we want to get good quality in, get the conditions. We're gonna log this one for the books. I'll probably try to get a couple minutes in on it today, see what's going on, look what it's looking like up under there, and we go from there. Oh, you see it. How's it going back there, guys? We straight. Time to clean it up as we normally do. So all that gunk in there, you know we don't go for that around here. Clean up the pipes, cars, wash it down, wheels. Just to see what we really got going on around here. At least the keys in it though. Clean up all in there. Trying to get the shop back organized. We're just gonna pull this one, put a new engine on there from stunt, from show out. Gonna drop a new engine on there. Then we'll worry about the front brake later. This one, put the battery, let's start. Rewiring that problem. Carburetor, wait for front brakes. Finish rebuilding, tune back up, pour the gas out. Kill switch, touch up paint. And we got a nice selection up here today. Oh yeah. Time to pull that big block off of there and put it on this one. Then we should be getting this one piped up in a little bit. Oh, you see it. Brand new engine installed, paint job. We're just doing the wiring, electrical up, making sure we get everything right. Got the key on it. Turn the key, turn it on. Let me say that one pull crank. So it's running pretty good. Yes, it's for sale. It's up next. We're gonna do the other grip over, do our front brakes over, and it'll be pushed to the line as is. Firm. Oh, you see it? Our quick paint job, and this will be off to another customer. Sold. And then we're gonna hold off to the rest tomorrow. Oh, you see it?
Y'all, he is going on the highway, so he gonna be up there. you do that?
I didn't drop the bike. I did not drop the bike.
Why you come
drop-
through there like that?
Huh?
Why you come through like that?
Cause that's what I do.
All right now.
All right now.
Yeah. Happy. Let me see. Ah, man, huh? You feel it?
Yeah, right there.
Right.
The other one.
Oh, you see it?
Back with
Acting
another
up. You don't know how to act right.
Y'all, his skin is still on the pipe. Y'all see that? Look at that. You couldn't start bleeding. That's another thing, leaning to the ground. I already hit the pegs, leaning. Y'all better slow down, shit.
Had to re-sand the tank back down. The fender got messed up. What's going on, fat boy? Get it together. First coat of repair. Oh yeah, you see it. 49cc mini chopper ready to go. Needs nothing but a new ride, a new owner. Let's see if it crank first start. Still cold. Harley Davidson theme. Let me know.